If you are a YouTuber, you need to stop doing this one thing. It is so annoying. All right. If you're new here, my name is Kenim. This video is brought to you by Brand Video Pros Members Lab, an online course that helps brands and influencers scale their influence and sales. All right, let's get into this. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. It really pushes this video out in the algorithm and encourages me to make more videos. All right, let's get into this. Okay, so this one thing that YouTubers do is so annoying. Can't stand it. They need to stop doing this. Stop doing this now. All right, so I call them like pseudo vloggers. They want to be vloggers. They want to just make whatever content they want to make, but they disguise themselves as like how-to channels, giving you, an educational guide. But like, you're making this educational guide, then all of a sudden you start making coffee, or you start doing some random activity that I did not come here to learn about. I don't care about your coffee making or your dog or like whatever it is, all the nuances of your life. I didn't click on this video to learn about your life. I clicked on this video because you promised me to teach me something. Sorry. No, but it's so annoying because like, you click on a video, it's like, oh, how to make coffee. And then half of the video, they're doing a vlog where they're doing random boring activities that I don't care about. I don't know you. I don't care. Even if I know you, I still don't care. I want to know how to make coffee. And it's so annoying. So they're making this like coffee, playing with their dog and doing boring stuff that you're not even entertaining. If you had the potential to be a great vlogger, you would be a great vlogger, but you don't have that potential, so stop. Okay? You promised me you're going to show me how to do this, so do it. So you watch half the video and you haven't even learned what you came there for. Then in the last like 2 minutes, at the end, they, oh yeah, this is what you came here for. So or sometimes they like, they mix it into the video so you don't know where to find the information that you came for. It's so annoying. Please, if you're a YouTuber, just stop doing it. I understand why it's done. It's because if you want your videos to get views, you need to make things that people are searching for, because YouTube is a search engine. So, these are wannabe vloggers, right? They want to be vloggers, but it's really hard to become a vlogger. No, people don't just fall in love with your personality. So you have to disguise it as like, oh, how to do something. Google, yes, people search up for that thing, and then voila, they see your page. And voila, they click on your video. And then your video sucks because like you're talking about like so many other things. Personally, I hate that. But it's funny because some of those channels have a lot of views. Some of those channels, they do it and they still have a lot of views. But I guess like they've slowly convinced people to care about their lives. I just think it's deceptive. It's annoying. I don't care about. There are people that I watch their videos and I still don't care about your lives. But because like sometimes they give valuable information. But 9 times out of 10, if I see you're giving a piece of information that another channel is giving, and even if that channel is new or that channel just like, as long as it's not you, I'll probably click on that channel because they're probably not going to fill it with like boring vlog information that I don't care about. Anyway, that's just a pet peeve of mine when it comes to YouTube. I don't know. Do you find it annoying when YouTubers do that? What do you think about it? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. And yeah, my name is Kenim, and see you next time. A peace.